Hello and welcome to HD Revit. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to model this simple house step by step in Revit. And how are we going to do that? I'm going to show you some steps and then I will leave you with some exercises so that you might practice what you come to learn right now. Okay, now the next exercise is going to be placing doors and windows. But before we do that, we are going to do an extra exercise here. You can see that we cannot really see what is beneath these black walls. What we are going to do, we are going to select this wall and then go to right click, then go to override graphics in views and then use by categories. And then what we are going to do, we are going to go to the surface transparency and then we put this transparency to 100% and then we click OK. Now all the walls are going to be visible so that you can now see. It's going to be transparent so that you can now see beneath it. Now you see that we have these windows, doors, and so on. So we are going to start by placing doors. I'm going to go to doors and then this door here is going to be okay. Let's automatically start with this interior walls, and now I'm going to go to this point here and then I'm going to place one here. Okay, there is this warning and then I will go to cancel and I will show you why is that. I'm going to go to doors and I will uncheck masonry frame. I'm going to uncheck this one and then when I place this, now it is going to work like that. Use these arrows to change and place things. Okay, now I'm going to go to this one. I don't want it that way. I'm going to click on spacebar to change the position and then I will place this door in here. I'll do the same here. It is going to be the same process. It's going to be as quick as possible here. Very simple and easy. Okay, so now I right click, cancel twice to finish. I'm going to pick another type of door. I'm going to pick an exterior door. This one I'm going to make it 90, spacebar to rotate it, and then this is our door. Now I'm going to place the sliding door on this side. What I will do, I'll go to sliding and then I will go to this sliding here and then I will place it in that position. It's very simple and easy to follow. And now we are actually done with doors and doors. Now let's go to the 3D to see what we have done already. Next, we are going to place windows. I'm going back to level 1 floor plan and then I will go and snap all the way these windows in here. I'm going to start to go to architecture, then go to windows, and then I will choose the type of window that I need. For instance, this window in here is going to be a louver, so I'm looking for a louver and I'm going to pick just this one, and then when I go over it, I place just in the middle, and then this is the placement of it. Now I'm going to choose another type of window and I'm going to just place another window in this position here. So I'm going to choose which one. I'm going to choose the 1400 by 1200 and this one is going to be placed in here. And yeah, you have all these windows. Let me cancel twice and then let's preview in the 3D to see what we have actually done. Now going back to the level 1 floor plan, I'm going to give you an exercise. You are going to place these windows 1, 2, 3, and then 4 windows, and then after I finish I'll be back and we correct this exercise together.